My friend, naniniwala naman ako na maybe hindi pa tayo ganun kagaling, right? Maybe for now, because you are still not an expert with what you do. Pero take note, for now. Are you using your core genius? I believe that we are all blessed by God with unique talents and skills, and that gift can also be called core genius. Hi there, this is Buddy of Somebody's Voice, your buddy in achieving your dreams and goals so you can make a difference. I know of a lot of successful people effortlessly using their core genius. They're having fun doing what they love to do. They don't even mind staying late at work or in their business or in their project. Sometimes they even do it for free. Panalo, di ba? But then, there are also some. It may be hard for them to focus or use their core genius. Why? Here are some sad reasons. One, no one or at best, a few people would be willing to pay for their talent. Two, compared to others, there were so many much more talented people out there. And that is sometimes what I feel. Diba? Look at Reels, look at TikTok. Ang dami talagang magagaling na content creator. Tapos, iba mga bata pa. Grabe, diba? Na-hurt ako. Three, you don't think that doing what you love to do will be able to help you financially. And four, sobrang guilty ako dito. We have our self-limiting beliefs, right? And all those thoughts can be summed up to the feeling that we are not good enough. Or marami talagang mas magagaling sa atin. And we feel bad about it, right? And we feel that our core genius is not enough. So why bother using them? Why bother focusing on them, right? My friend, naniniwala naman ako na maybe hindi pa tayo ganun kagaling, right? Maybe for now, because you are still not an expert with what you do. Pero take note, for now. But hopefully soon, right? The objective is that we get to use our core genius sooner or later. Jack Canfield talked a lot about using your core genius and he said, do what you love, then money will follow. Ako naniniwala talaga dyan. Hey, here are some people who pursued and used their core geniuses. And not only that, they are being paid with what they do best and they're also making a difference in people's lives. And one of them is Brother Arun Gogna. Did you know that he resigned from being a professor in De La Salle University? He resigned so that he can be a preacher. Then, he became a motivational speaker and now he is also an author. Panalo, di ba? And you know this, Jose Marichan. Did you know that his father wanted him to focus on the family business and quit on his hobby, which is in music? But Jose Marichan told his father that one never quits on their hobbies, right? So, you know that he never stopped singing, right? And he even composed a lot of songs. So, what do we do, buddy? Here are some suggestions. One, find a way to really be excellent in your core genius. Somebody said that starting to make money is the greatest mistakes in life. Do what you feel you have a flair for doing, and if you're good enough, money will come. Tama naman, di ba? So, spend time honing your craft. This will make you not only good, but better and even best in what you do. In the book Outliers, The Story of Success by Malcolm Gladwell, he said that if we want to be an expert in what we do, we need at least X number of hours of deliberate practice. What is your guess? How many hours? Yes, kapatid, 10,000 hours of deliberate practice. You know what? I started computing it. Paano ba ako makakakuha ng 10,000 hours? So for example, ginagawa mo na yan, di ba, yung core genius mo. You do that for 8 hours times 5, and that is 40 hours. Now, 40 hours times 52 weeks, and that is a total of 2,080 hours. So, kung 2,080 hours yan, times 5 years, and that will give you 10,000 plus hours of deliberate practice. Wow, di ba? So, if you want to hone your craft, if you want to hone your core genius, you have to do it at least for straight 5 years, or at least for 5 years. And two, start delegating your tasks. Why do you want to do that? Kasi when you delegate the tasks that you have to do, now you have time to use your core genius. You will have time to practice it. So start delegating. 3. Use your core genius to serve others. Oh, I love this Bible verse now from 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 10. It says that each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. Aww! At the end of it all, your talent is not for you, but for others. So use it and use it with joy. Yay! I hope I was able to inspire you to start focusing and using your core genius. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to type in the comment section below what is your core genius and what are your plans, how many hours you're planning to use it starting tomorrow or even starting today. How many hours? Go type it in the comment section below and I would love to read it. And if you're already using it, for example, in your work, your business, congratulations! Woohoo! Kasi diba, we all know just to become an expert in what we do, we need to be more conscious that we are building 10,000 hours of deliberate practice. Now, to those who are not using it and you're in a different field of work, nako, kapatid, I want you to be more intentional about being able to use it. Spend a minimum of an hour a day to start building your 10,000 hours of deliberate practice, which will eventually lead you to become an expert in what you do. So, I hope you find this message helpful, and if it does, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and families, for this might be the message that they want or needed to hear. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post new videos. Thank you again for watching, and remember, we can be somebody who brings positive, loving, and joyful energy to others so we can be a blessing to others. Yay!